Hi, it's Joan. When you and your partner are refreshing, which is a very good idea in the beginning of a year when you're about to start playing bridge again, it's great to go over your understandings because that's where the biggest bidding mistakes happen is when you're not on the same page as your partner. But the opener's role is also really vital in that what you choose to open and what your rebid might be has an impact on your partner's responses and where you get to. Here's a hand which we look at, and it's got 14 high card points. And you think to yourself, well, if I open one club and partner bids one heart or one spade, you don't know what they're going to bid, but if they do, what will I bid at my next turn? So one club past one heart. You can't bid two diamonds as your next bid because it's a reverse, and that you don't have a hand that's strong enough, needs about 17 points. So it's a little unusual, but you've got 14 high card points and a fifth club. The easiest way to describe this hand is to open one no trump. Yes, I know it's 5-4-2-2. It's not 5-3-3-2, but opener chooses their own judgment sometimes would be to open a hand like this one no trump because it's easier in later bidding. So let's give it a go. Okay, partner's just gone straight to 3, so we're in game now. We've got to make it. Oh, the 10 of hearts is led. Partner had a nice hand, 10 points, balanced. And if we make this king of hearts, which we hope to, we'll then make 5 club tricks and 4 diamond tricks. So we could make 10 tricks. Funny, we've got nothing in spades and very little in hearts. So let's hope for the best. We win the king and take the clubs. Now the diamonds. And we've made 10 tricks. That will be all. Making 10 is quite remarkable. So let's look at the hand. The impact of the opener's decision is that over one no trump that we opened, it was impossible for West or East to get in and bid their majors. But if we'd opened one club, then West could have bid one heart, East's got heart support, they've also got a fabulous spade suit. And if you look really carefully, if East West managed to get into the bidding, they would have made 10 tricks in either major. If they were in hearts, they would just need to take the heart finesse, and then they would make all the spades, diamonds, losing 2 diamonds and 1 club. If they were in spades, they'd do the same thing, taking the heart finesse and make 5 spades and 5 hearts. It's remarkable. And yet we have made 10 tricks in no trumps. That was simply because the opener chose to open one no trump. And these things do happen a lot in modern bridge. And as opener, the judgment you needed was to think, well, if I open one club, what the hell am I going to do for my next bid? Opening one no trump does solve a number of problems. And as I mentioned, I know the hand is not 5-3-3-2, but sometimes you have to do it, showing 15, 16, or 17 and a semi-balanced hand. Have a great week.